This machine has unique fuselage used for cleaning up tin beads, flux marks, and scratches. Suitable for cleaning the welding surface of single-sided PCBA plate. Does not wet the front components. Thickened shrapnel claws ensure that the plate will not shift during transportation. Cleaning agent automatic coating system ensures that the PCB board's welding surface is evenly coated, without affecting the surface of other parts. Anti-static brush. Do not damage the PCBA board. Disc brush and roller brush ensure that all directions of the PCB board clean in place. The height, speed, and stepless speed of the cleaning brush can be adjusted to meet different cleaning needs. The board is very clean after cleaning.